Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Basically, this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create an online banking website. Now, if you check my YouTube channel, you're going to see some videos related to that, but this one kind of stand out. And also, if you check my previous video, I tend to talk about some things related to blockchain development. Don't worry, you're going to see upcoming videos related to that is going to help you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos, because when you do, it will not only benefit me, it will also benefit you, because you learn a lot from this channel. Thank you. So let's get started. This is how the website is going to look like. Let me show you. Okay, basically this is how the online banking website we're going to create is going to look like. You can see it has a nice UI, right? So, and it has a nice user experience also, right? If you want to open an account, just click on this online banking. It's going to show you display how the account looks like. So basically I'm going to show you how to design this from start to finish. Please stay tuned and don't forget to watch the video from start to end, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. While this is low, let's start working on what we're here for. So let us continue. So next thing for us to do now is for us to get a account with any host provider here, right? You can check the description link below. You're going to see a cheaper way to get an hosting and domain name, very cheap. Yeah, just check, use it, or you can get from Namecheap, Hugohost, Bluehost, or any one of them out there. There are a lot of them out there you can use. Once you're done getting the domain and hosting, and the next thing to do now is for you to log into your cPanel, because once you get a domain and hosting, they'll give you a cPanel, right? And the cPanel, this is how it's going to look like. Now this is where I got my own from. I got mine from HostKing or whatever. So you can get yours from different places. I also use Namecheap a lot, right? So this is Namecheap. You can see I had an account with Namecheap. So while we wait, hold on a little. So when you log into your cPanel, this is how your cPanel is going to look like. Then you see something called File Manager. So when you click on this button here, it's going to take you to this page, right? Your File Manager, right? Now, but once you get to this page, you see this file called public_html. You click on it and you upload your file there, right? Now, basically, since I'm using this, there are different ways in which you can upload your file. But currently, I'm using this particular one. So this particular hosting, some of the hosting, their cPanel will not look like direct admin. Some of them will give you control panel, cPanel, right? So, but this kind of different. So when you upload, you can check other videos to learn how to upload on the particular hosting you got from the host provider. But basically, from this host provider I got from, this is how their cPanel looks like. And if you want to upload any file, you upload your file on your public_html, which you do that's what you're going to do in all other host provider, which is their cPanel. You open the public_html, then you get this file, you get this page here, right? You can see there's a lot of file here, right? But yours, you're not going to see a lot of file here. You're going to see only few files. Delete the few files you're seeing here, but I'm going to delete mine because I already have a website on this platform already, so I don't want to delete the website. So when you want to upload, you click on this three button here and you see upload, right? Then you click on upload. That's how you upload. But I'm not going to upload here. I'm going to go to my sub-host in which I want to use for this tutorial, so you understand what I'm saying. Now my sub-host, this domain, I created a sub-host, but there's no point you knowing how I created a sub-host. So this is the sub-host here. I'm going to use this sub-host called mob, right? I'll open it and I'll open the public_html. There's no point you doing this thing I'm doing currently now. You would have uploaded your file in that other place because of you're not using the sub-host, you're using the main host. So the next thing for us now for us to upload a file. So I'm going to click here, I'm clicking on upload file, click here and it should display. Then I'm going to upload my file. Okay, so the folder. Okay, so this is my file, right, called build.copy online banking. All right, so then we wait for it to load up. It will take few seconds or few hours for it to load. Okay, few seconds, because well, depending on network. So let's just excite a little patient for this is going to upload. So while we wait, we can just go ahead and check. Sorry, because I'm digressing right now. Let's go ahead and check the website that we're trying to access initially, right? Look at how the website looks like. That's a nice user interface, right? So now the next thing, we can create an account and sign in. But I'm going to do that here. Reasons, I'm going to do that when I design this one. I'm just doing that, so you're going to see how it works, right? So let's just stay tuned, watch from start to the end, and remain blessed. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Well, because it will encourage me to do more videos, and also it will help you because you learn a lot from this channel. So let's continue. Well, we are still on 7.something%. So just exercise a little patient. So you can see we extract the file. Click on extract. You can see the file. We extracted the file, right? So the next thing for us to do now, you can just delete this file off. then you go back to your database. Right now, if you're using a cPanel database, a cPanel control panel, I say a cPanel control panel kind of lookup code, right? Like if you're using a direct admin, then you're going to see your MySQL database. But if you're using a normal cPanel, you're going to see MySQL database wizard. That's what you're going to use. Do you get that? So we're going to create a database, right? So create a database. I'll call it testing. Let me not call it testing. I'll call it subscribe. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Then we'll copy this. We'll make this subscribe the password, right? And paste it here. That's what we use as a password. Then we'll create our database, right? So remember, subscribe is our password, right? Subscribe. You want to subscribe is our password, right? So exit. We go back. Then we're going to go to phpMyAdmin. This file here. We're going to upload a database to that file there, right? So where is it here? Subscribe, right? Click on subscribe. Then we're going to import this file. So click on import. Now we're going to import this file, this one here, right? Click on this and click on import, right? And click on import here. Give it some minutes for it to upload. Now we're done uploading it, right? So you can see we've uploaded the file successfully, right? Look at our email, right? So the next thing for us to do now is for us to go back to our file manager. So we just copy this, then go to your file manager. This is my file manager. You scroll down, you see this .env file here, right? If you're using normal control panel, you're going to see a symbol here like a setting. Click on it to show you a pop-up alert box here. Then you click on allow all hidden files. But since we're not using that, this env file is already showing, so I click on this hidden file and click on edit. So the next for we to do now is for us to change this to our database name, right? Right, you can see we've changed that already. We also change this, right? Then we change this to subscribe because that's the password, right? So we change this to subscribe, right? Also we change this URL to URL, our website URL, right? So I'm going to change it to our website URL. So if you recall, using value, just change it to your website URL, right? That's where you change it to. So I'm putting that. I know it's not displaying, but you're going to put your website URL there. Do you get that? Then you save. Right. So once you're done saving, you exit. Right. So we go back. Click on domain. This is the website we use, right? Rename. We're not renaming this, we just want to copy because I don't want to type that. Then we're going to check the website now. It's going to load, so let's wait for it to load. So you can see our website is up and running, right? You can see our website is up and running, right? So since our website is up and running, the next thing for us to do is to access the admin, right? To access the admin, you put slash, admin, just type this, sorry. Admin slash so click this, then the admin is going to pop up, right? So that's exercise patient a bit too. So it's going to show like this, right? So when we log into the admin, so you have us login admin, we click on this. We know our admin email as this, right? So copy this, go back to the admin. That's our admin email, paste and put at the ending. Then our password, we write our password, then we sign into the admin. Right, so we are in the admin dashboard right now. Currently we are at the admin dashboard. So you can see, right, you can see we are the admin dashboard. So from here you can edit every single thing you want to edit on the website. So you can go to app setting, you can go to app setting, and also you can click to contact me. If you need this script, you can just click to contact me from the admin. Let me just go back to the admin. Then you can just click on this for more script. You can click to contact or about script. Yeah, you can also click to contact me, right? You can click to contact me or click here to contact me, or any of them at all. So next thing for us to do now is for us set it up, right? So click on settings, see about app settings, then you can actually just change this to name of, right? So because I want to change it to name of, I want it to subscribe. So I'll click on update. Right, you can also change the logo and upload any picture. Let me see if I have any picture here. I don't think so. I think I have one picture here. Let me just click this picture and click on update, right? And it's going to ask if it's the main domain or sub. It's in my subdomain, right? So I'm going to click subdomain. I click transfer code. This is a transfer code. You can allow or disallow. These are your preferences. You can change the email here. You change the email. It is advisable you change the email here so that when you want to log in, it will work fine. I can just say okay, let me just copy this. Right, so it's going to work as the email, right? Currency, dollar, and the rest. KYC verification. Now I don't want KYC verification, but if I want, I will allow. Then you see it. But let me just put it on email verification. Should I allow or not? Probably if I want, let me disallow. But I just want to log in directly. But if you allow, you're going to receive an email in your inbox. So now we can go back to the user end of this. We can go back to the user end, right? And create an account. It's kind of easy, right? So this is how it looks like. You can see. So you can see we changed the logo, right? The logo already. You can see. So you can just click here. You can see, so you can just click enroll. So we want to create an account, so you can see you can just call it any name. I want to call it subscribe to my channel. I'll use a random email because I'm not going to receive emails since I do not allow email. If I allowed email, I would have used a standard email. I'm using a random number, so I'm going to select any country and I'm using an account type. I'm just going to fix savings. Yeah, I use a simple PIN, 4-digit PIN, and a simple password. So I can recall, right? So I'm going to submit. So it's asking some basic. Click here to just continue. So if you recall, we allowed KYC verification, right? That was the reason why it's still showing KYC verification, right? So these are my details, asking to submit my details, but I don't submit now. Let me just go to this transaction. Okay, just hold on. See, ask my KYC verification. So I need to submit details. Else, if I don't submit, I can just go to the backend and disallow, right? You understand? So I'm just going to pick any random file. There's no point. So I'm going to submit this. Just any random date. So just like what I said, salary range, employment, address blah blah blah, state blah blah blah, city blah blah blah, initial blah blah blah, relationship blah blah, age should be index 5, so I just like 56, then I click on submit. Okay, the file I'm missing a page title Mr. I click on submit. Another file is missing, gender, I click on mail, then I submit. Another file is missing, zip code, I click blah blah, which is not correct, something else is missing, and I SN or add, I click on submit. So you can see account under review, and you're going to review something, right? So you can just get support, right, and contact support. You understand? So you can contact support with your account under review right now currently, right? So let me now go back to the admin dashboard to approve the account that I just created. So I'm just going to click this and click, if you recall, /admin. So we're in, so we're going to check users and wait. So this is the account that's created now, right? So you can see the user is active. So let me check. See, verification is under review, so I just review. I'm going to see everything I just did, right? Just now, right. So this is the image I uploaded. You can see everything here. And see, so our perform action is to accept, right? Email subject. So I can just send an email to the subject that your account have been approved, right? So I can just do this. Account is successfully done as well, doesn't matter. I'm just doing the sample. So you can see account has been approved successfully. So let's go back to the user and see if the account, so you can see the user account has been approved successfully. So it's showing like this now. So you can actually send money, receive money, transfer money, and do the rest stuff if you want to. You can transact and deposit. So I'm just going to do basic here. I'm going to make a deposit to my account. Method, bank transfer or BTC. Anyone, I'll use BTC. Right, amount, I'm just going to give it $45. Then basically I'll copy this, make transaction, then come back and upload the screenshot, right, and click on submit, right? So a deposit of $45 has been made to my account funded successfully. Wait for system to validate transaction, right? So my account has been funded successfully. So the next thing for me to do is for me to go to my admin dashboard and check manage user. Then when I check manage user, I'll check user deposit, right? I'm going to see a guy I just made a transaction which is called subscribe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. actually to encourage me to do more videos, and also it will help you to learn more, right? So just hold on. You can see a guy that just made a pending deposit of $45, which his name is called Subscribe. So I'm going to perform a simple task, right? I'm going to click on the action button, right? You can either proceed. Sorry about this. Right? You can either proceed, delete the payment. It's on pending, right? Because of the deposit that doesn't make. You can either view, proceed, or delete. So let's view the guy that just made the deposit. This guy, you can see what I uploaded just now, right? So we'll go back. Then we check and approve because we believe he has made the payment successfully. Now the next thing for us to do now is for us to go back to our account. Now once you go back to your account and click on dashboard, now look at our dashboard. Just only a second. You can see that we just made deposits, available balance of $25 into our accounts, right? So you can make transaction, you can make request for loan, you can write a support ticket, and lots more you can do. So basically, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the video. Make comments if you understand anything. Basically, you can write comment section. And whereas if you need this script, very important, if you need this script, check the description link. You're going to see my number, or it's going to show on the screen. Basically, you can contact me for the script. Very cheap, very cheap. So basically, and also check my channel. There are other free scripts that I do give. You can check my channel. The only requirement for you is to just watch my video from start to end to get the passcode, because it is encrypted. So, and with time, this is also going to be free and encrypted. So it is better you follow my YouTube channel continually, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you, and remain blessed.